As a result of earnest Japanese initiatives to secure the safety of its food products, more than 50 out of 55 countries and regions have already lifted and eased their import measures on Japanese food products introduced in the wake of the accident at the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear power plant. Japan conducts highly rigorous tests for radioactive radionuclides in its food products. For general food products, the maximum level for radioactive cesium concentration is 100 becquerel per kilogram. Even in comparison to the limits set by the US and countries in the EU, this is a very strict standard. However, the probability of exceeding this level is extremely low. After evaluating the results of approximately 10 years of monitoring, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration concluded that the risks posed by Japanese food products to American consumers are very low. The FDA lifted their import restrictions completely in September 2021. In California, a Japanese restaurant serves Fukushima beef.
I'm so happy that we can eat Fukushima products in the US now.
I have not heard of Fukushima specifically. I've heard of Wagyu, and it was absolutely delicious. I wanted to eat like 10 of those.
Over 40 countries and regions, including the US, Australia, Canada, and Singapore, have fully lifted their import measures on Japanese food products. More than 10 countries and regions, most recently Taiwan and the EU, have eased their measures. Japan will continue to strive to maintain food safety so that people all over the globe can enjoy Japanese food products.